Hi and welcome back to Journey Beyond. Today I will be previewing the Precious Memories kit from Crafter's Companion. Now I did order this on auto ship from HSN, and I've actually watched a couple of YouTube videos where other crafters have attempted to make these albums. I don't want to say their level of difficulty is up there, but it looks like it may be. So I have not attempted this myself yet, but my best friend, I showed her these and she wants me to actually make her photo albums she did at Disneyland. So photos she took, and she just wants a precious memory book but with a Disney theme. So I will see if I can make one of these to begin with before I even take that step. But I just wanted to show you what comes in the auto ship kit, because I did also buy a separate accessory kit. So this is, I think it's a very expensive kit, because I know they sold it on Crafter's Companion website for about $30 cheaper than when I bought it. So if you guys are big Crafter's Companion fans like I am, I'm very new to Crafter's Companion. I discovered them about literally like 2 months ago when I decided to buy the Gemini. So I have gone crazy since then, and I absolutely love them. My husband is just like, oh my gosh. He's like, it's Christmas in every month since you found this company, because I always have boxes coming to the house. I know, not good of me. But anyways, girls, I wanted to show you what comes in the... So I know they have the single ship kit available on HSN right now. They no longer have the auto ship. But first you're going to get the album spine. So this is what makes the spine of the book, as you can see right here. So this is kind of looks like an accordion. From the videos I watch, you're going to kind of do a mountain valley type fold to get this to, and what happens is, like, in between these little spaces right here, you put in like the pages of the book. So there's many different variations of this. I've actually seen other crafters create something like this, or they're not using the Crafter Companions dies, they're doing it with other dies or doing it by hand, and the books are phenomenal. Very pretty. I'm very excited to make something like this, because I'm going to make this for one of my family members. So this is the first thing you get in the single ship or the auto ship, because I know the single ship is missing two elements I'm going to show you towards the end. So the second thing you're going to get is you're going to get the tabbed page and purse card. So this one's going to give you like your really cute little elements, like your keys and your little keyholes and your little arrows, and it has just like some fun, you know, like little belt buckles you can do, and then you can open these and put pictures inside them. It's very cool how they did this. I watched a few videos where people said they weren't a fan of these because they're difficult to make, but I yet to have an opinion on them because I have not made them as of yet. And I also got, this is the tab labels. So this has all like your months, and then it has like some word sentiments: travel, journal, diary, album, birthday, our day, memories, secret, book of love, and it has all the months. It has some numbers, my favorite, the best, happy times. And I love how they spell favorite, because this is definitely an English thing, because, you know, in America we spell it, we don't put the U in there. So I just love how it's a little different. So that's cute. And then, okay, what also came with this kit, so since I did an auto ship, I signed up with the auto ship. They sent me the first two, I guess, the shipments that were supposed to come after. I think something like that. Hang on just a second, guys. I don't know, they're just kind of all bundled together. Okay. The next we have the mini card and envelope. So I know this came in, like, it's supposed to be the shipment after, but I think it's when I ordered it, the first shipment of the auto ship already came out, so this is what they sent me with it as well. So this just allows you to make like the mini card envelopes. You can see there's an example in the picture there. And it also has like a key and some cute little corner things and little tabs. So this being all put together, I'm going to have to do a tutorial on this one. Next is a twist and pop card. Now this is, oh, I really like this. This is so cool. So if you can see how they did this. Now if you go on Crafters TV, they have, I know Sarah, she has a tutorial on how she did this, and it's really cute how she did it. And I think she has just one of those little photo printers that were just exclusively for photos, like a Canon or an HP printer that she says she prints her smaller photos for. You can definitely print them if you have a bigger printer. You just have to, like, you know, size it down to the size that you want to make the smaller ones. So they have a lot of elements in this one, and a couple keys. They have some hearts. And this one, I just love how they do this, how they make this. Very cute. So I'm very excited. Let me get a little closer. Let me adjust that just a little bit. Okay, there we go. So I'm very excited to try this out. I think it's, I just love the idea of it. So I'm wondering, like, you know, using like paper, cardstock, like how well this will hold up. And then I got, so I don't want to confuse you guys. So I'm just going to kind of put it all together. So this is the auto ship. And then I also, like I said, ordered the accessories kit to go with it. So this kit on HSN was very expensive. It was about $120. So on Crafters Companion, they were selling it for $30 cheaper. And then if you belong to their Club Inspire, it's even cheaper because they give you another 20% discount on top of that price. So I think I saw it on sale a couple weeks ago. I think they were selling it for like $90 or $91. So that's a very good price compared to HSN. And then you don't have to pay all those shipping costs and all that good stuff. This next one is a flip card. So this has like a lot of keys in this. I like keys. So this collection was great for me. That's probably why I bought it, from all the keys. And I have a lot of like little key decorations in my house. It's cute. Anyways, here are the dies you can see that are included in this package. And then these are vintage accents, and this came in the accessories kit. So you have, like, you know, just like little letter writing and little postmarks, little postal stamp, some fingerprints, like it was actually handwritten, another key stamp, some lace. Really cute. Cute little elements you can add to your photo album. This would make it like a great gift. Like I said, I'm going to try to make one of these first and then attempt to make my friend's Disney album. This is the frames and accessories package. So this one has, as you can see, some decorative frames. They have some flowers. They have, it kind of almost looks like a mandala, but mandala. And some words. So they have, let's see, holiday, baby, Christmas, wedding, family, memories. They have some oval frames here. Stuff you can see there. And then last, this is the waterfall card. So to see this in action is very cool, you guys. So as you can see, it's all laid down right here, and you pull it out and it like flips the pictures. It's very cool. I liked that. I think that's probably another reason why I bought this kit. But here you can see a picture of the dies right there. So I plan to do a tutorial on this because, like I said, I really want to try and attempt to make this a book before I try to attempt to make my friend's book she'd like me to make for her. So this tutorial, you guys, will probably be an hour, at least an hour long. So just giving you a heads up, if any of you are interested in viewing this, it'll be really fun, and we can kind of learn together. If you have the kit, if you want to try to make it, you could try to make it together. It'll be a lot of fun, you guys. All right, you guys, thank you again for joining me. I hope that if any of you have, I'd love to see the pictures if you guys have this kit, if you've made it, what you think of it, and if you bought it off HSN or if you bought it off Crafters Companion. All right, you guys, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.